Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors, and we're back with the TMS camp stove. And remember last time in the first video I tried cooking off the paint, and that worked for a while, but it didn't quite get it all the way, so I could put on some high heat temp paint. So luckily I've got a buddy that runs a machine shop, so I called him, and he's got a blasting cabinet, and he said sure, and he took it up there and blasted it for me and got it all cleaned up. And then the first section that comes off the pipe or the stove, and I'm going to go ahead and hit these to the side supports for the shelves just for giggles. So luckily we kind of trade each other's skills, so he did it just to do it, so that's cool. So you might want to call your local machine shop or whatever and see what they charge you to blast. It's a lot easier. It might not be very much at all. So anyway, I'm going to get it cleaned up with some mineral spirits, give it a wipe down, let it dry good, and then give it a coat of paint. It's actually almost in the 60s today, so perfect painting temperature. Yep, Iowa. I was in stocking hat yesterday, who knows. But, so I'm going to get this cleaned up, we'll shoot it. You want to make sure this dries really good before you paint it, otherwise your paint's going to fisheye on you, and you got to start all over. Okay, so all the mineral spirits, or paint thinner as otherwise known, have dried. All it does is remove all the grime and whatnot, degrease it a little bit so the paint will stick. Once again, I'm using a high heat temp, protects up to 1200 degrees. We're going to give her a shot, kind of breezy, so we'll see. And do some light coats. Close to dry in up to 15 minutes. On really well. This isn't a grand piano, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Aye. Second coat. Okay, so it's like brand new now. I was able to get 3 coats on the main body, 2 coats on all the pipes actually, and I got to spray the inside, the belly, so it won't rust, the racks, and the 2 little doors. I don't know, $5 I think. So if you have an access to a sand blaster or somebody has a blasting cabinet, awesome. If not, a wire wheel grinder, and there you go. For that kind of money, you know, probably get a decade or so out of this. So thanks for watching. We'll put her together later and see how she works. See you later. Here's just a bonus clip. Little TMS camp stove conversion. A few lengths of pipe up to an old grill. Now it's my smoker barrel. Yeah, man. Pretty cool. Think it'll work. It's plenty smoky.